Video number 1 here is the review of radicals from Algebra 1. On this page you see a bunch of old rules that you learned back in 8th grade, talking about how to rewrite radical expressions. So review those and keep coming back to them. You'll need them as you go through this sheet. Example A, rewrite the expression with as few square root symbols as possible and no parentheses. So when you see 2 times the square root of 3 plus 5 times the square root of 3, you can think of them as the same way you might think of, let's do this, 2x plus 5x, right? If you had 2x plus 5x, you would have 7x. Same idea, but the root 3 is in place of the x. It's like saying 2 root 3's plus 5 more root 3's equals how many? So we have 7 root 3. Done. Moving on, example B, rewrite each expression with as few square root symbols as possible and no parentheses again. Now we're multiplying. You're going to multiply the 3 and the 2 and get 6. Then under the square root, you're going to multiply the 5 and the 7 and get 35. That's about it. B, you're dividing 2 square roots. You can divide them inside and put the 15 and 3 over top of each other like that. 15 divided by 3 is 5. So this simplifies to the square root of 5. In C, you're doing the square root of 3 and you're going to distribute it to both terms inside. I want you to treat the square root of 3 as if it was 1 times the square root of 3. So we can do 1 times 5, which is 5. Then multiply the square roots. Root 3 times root 2 is root 6. Plus, for the second piece, we have 1 times 3, which is 3. And then root 3 times root 3 is root 9. Not done there because the square root of 9 can be simplified. 5 root 6 cannot. But 3 root 9 simplifies to 3 times 3. This 9 is a 3. So we have 3 times 3, which is 9. So this simplifies to 5 root 6 plus 9. You can check all of these problems by entering the original problem into your calculator along with your answer. They should produce the same decimal value.